Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to remove image title attribute on hover WordPress. Let's go. First way, open Posts. Select Post. Edit. Select image, Advanced, Title attribute, Remove, Update. Done. Second way, open Plugins, find Custom.js. Install now and activate. Paste this code. Update. That's it. Now you know how to remove image title attribute on hover in WordPress. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.